Why is there so much harshness that we see amongst the Salafis today? That's a reality that can't be denied.
You see, I'm not here to defend Salafis. They can be right and they can be wrong, Salafis.
Okay.
But I'm talking about the madhab. See, the madhab is infallible. The madhab is free from errors and mistakes. You see, just like a Muslim cannot talk for the Muslims, he can talk for Islam and the religion.
Yeah.
There can be Muslims that drink. There can be Muslims that, commit zina. There can be Muslims that cheat. You see, this concept of, a person has to dismantle case by case situation where I have to talk about every single point in order for my argument to be valid. It's not correct. It's not fair. Okay. It's not looking at it in the right way. I mean, there can be people who attribute themselves to Salafiyyah, but do wrong things, who don't come with, da'at and obedience. You see, Salafiyyah isn't just an aqeedah issue. Salafiyyah, as I said to you, is the pure essence of Islam. So it enters everything. It enters the way you deal with your wife and how you are to your wife and how you are to your neighbors. Salafiyyah is that. Salafiyyah is how you are towards your children. Salafiyyah is how you are in terms of your salah and the jama'ah and the congregation. Salafiyyah is how you pray. Salafiyyah is how you dress. And this is the sad reality where there are some people today, they saw the Salafi community, they saw some people attribute themselves to Salafiyyah who give so much importance to the outer appearance. They give so much importance to the outer appearance, which is wrong. The person should first of all work on the inner essence of himself, like his heart. So they saw a people who've given more importance to their outer appearance, whereas their heart is more tainted. And so what did they do? They then undermined the outer appearance.
Right, they went to the other extreme.
The other extreme. So no, Salafiyyah is that you work on both.
Okay.
Your outer appearance is good and it's upright. And so is, number one, your inner essence, your heart. 𝗪𝗶𝘁𝗵𝗵. Without a doubt. One does not eliminate the other.